Patio door installation. Taylor is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their living spaces. With a variety of options, such as sliding glass doors, French doors, and custom patio doors, residents can choose the perfect fit for their homes. Patio doors. Taylor experts provide top-notch services to ensure a seamless and efficient process. Energy-efficient patio doors. Taylor are becoming increasingly popular due to their ability to reduce energy costs. Insulated patio doors and double-pane patio doors are excellent choices for those looking to improve their home's energy efficiency. These options not only help in maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature, but also contribute to lower utility bills. For those interested in patio doors, Taylor, there are numerous styles and materials to consider. Vinyl patio doors, aluminum patio doors, and wood patio doors offer different aesthetic and functional benefits. Each material has its unique advantages, making it essential to consult with patio door experts in Taylor, Michigan to make an informed decision. Patio door replacement in Taylor, Michigan is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your doors. Common issues such as damaged patio door glass, malfunctioning patio door locks, and worn-out patio door hardware can be addressed by professional replacement services. Regular patio door maintenance. Taylor, Michigan can prevent these problems and extend the lifespan of your doors. The cost of patio door installation. Taylor varies depending on several factors, including the type of door, materials used, and labor charges. Patio door installation cost. Taylor, Michigan can be estimated by consulting with local patio doors Taylor companies. These companies offer competitive pricing and expert advice to help you choose the best option for your budget. Patio door security in Taylor, Michigan is a top priority for homeowners. Installing high-quality patio door locks and security features can protect your home from potential intruders. Patio door weatherproofing. Taylor MI is also essential to prevent drafts and water damage, ensuring your doors remain in excellent condition throughout the year. Custom patio doors. Taylor offer a personalized touch to your home, allowing you to select specific designs, colors, and finishes. Whether you prefer traditional French doors, Taylor MI, or modern sliding glass doors, Taylor, Michigan, custom options provide flexibility and creativity in your home design. Patio door screens. Taylor MI are a practical addition to any patio door, providing ventilation while keeping insects out. These screens are available in various styles and materials, making it easy to find the perfect match for your patio door styles. Taylor MI. Regular maintenance and replacement of patio door screens can enhance their longevity and performance. Choosing the right patio doors. Taylor brands is crucial for ensuring quality and durability. Reputable brands offer a wide range of options, from energy-efficient patio doors to stylish and secure designs. Consulting with patio door experts, Taylor, Michigan can help you navigate the numerous choices and select the best brand for your needs.